Your backyard is your farm. If there was one crop I would grow in my backyard, starting a garden, let's say tomorrow, what would I grow? And this is carrots. So a lot of people overlook carrots because they have very small seeds and they're like, carrots might not germinate, carrots might disappear in my soil, but carrots is my go-to for a beginner gardener. First reason is that carrots love the cool weather. So if you want to grow your carrots in winter, you can grow them. If you want to grow them in summer, you can grow them. And for example, we've planted our carrots next to lettuce, which provides shade. We've planted our carrots next to beetroot, which again provides shade. So carrots are a cool season crop. So winter, summer, carrots are your go-to. The colder it gets, the better your carrots. Another thing is that carrots do not require a lot of attention. So you can grow your carrots throughout the year without even thinking about it. Drop your seedlings like we have over here and forget about it. So here's our carrots that have germinated. Literally drop your seedlings in, pour soil over, and keep it moist. Carrots need moist conditions to germinate. Of course, they do need a lot of space because they are going down and possibly wide as well. So carrots do need some space. But if you don't have space in the ground, you could use bags. So carrots can be grown in bags. Again, very easy to germinate. Get some soil, drop the seeds inside, and let your carrots germinate. Of course, you want to keep your soil nice and damp. Carrots need damp soil to germinate. And lastly, what will we need to grow our carrots with? So you think of your companion planting. You want to make sure that you plant your carrots and they survive in your soil. So you can plant things like your radishes, your onions with a strong scent, your rosemary, which we planted over here, and it's currently going through a phase. Anywho, let's not look into our rosemary too much, but consider your things with strong scents next to carrots, and these repel unwanted insects. If you are starting your garden right now, start with carrots. Easy to grow from seed, as we've done over here. Ready to harvest, very close to ready to harvest. Companion plantings, they won't grow alone, they have friends to grow with. This is a beginner's guide to growing your very first crop. It is bye for now, but we'll see you in the next one.